There's a bird with a very impressive butt on its head, and its name is Hoopoe. I'm sure many of you haven't heard of it. The Hoopoe is a small bird with a body length of 28 centimeters and a wingspan of 15 centimeters. It's brown in color, except for its long black bill. The feathers on the top of its head are large and long, allowing it to stand up freely. It sits on the ground and stands upright when alert or startled. In Korea, it is a summer bird that can be found in the central part of the country, but it is not very common. It breeds in trees in the wilderness, and occasionally on the roofs and under the eaves of inhabited houses. The Hoopoe lays between 5 and 8 eggs from April to June, which the female incubates alone for between 10 and 20 days. The young leave the nest within 27 days of hatching. The Hoopoe looks as unique as its unique name. I'd love to meet them in Korea. The fish better known as Nemo than clownfish is today's clownfish. The orange and white stripes on its body make it look like a clown's costume to most people. In the West, they're known as clownfish. It is also called anemonefish because it lives together with anemones. In Korea, it is called clownfish because of its characteristic white vertical stripes on its body. Clownfish live in symbiosis with anemones in shallow coral reef waters. Normally, a single anemone is home to a group of clownfish. There's something unusual about our friends. Clownfish families are strictly matriarchal. She's the biggest one, and if she dies, one of the males in the group switches sexes with her. This is because it's more advantageous for one of the males in the brood to switch sexes on his own than to find a female elsewhere. They are known to lay 700 to 800 eggs at a time, but the hatching rate is quite low. Clownfish are also immune to the anemone's venom, making it possible for them to live in symbiosis. The mysteries of nature are amazing, aren't they?